Elementor versus Framer. Which website builder should you use? Choosing the right website builder can completely change how you create stunning websites without complex coding. Elementor offers powerful drag and drop design, while Framer focuses on interactive, high-fidelity prototypes. Elementor and Framer are two popular website builders with different strengths. Elementor is a WordPress plugin designed for visual page building, while Framer is a design tool that blends prototyping with website creation, emphasizing animation and interactivity. Elementor is a leading WordPress page builder plugin that allows users to design websites visually through drag and drop functionality. It works by integrating directly into WordPress, enabling users to customize layouts, add widgets, and style pages without coding. Elementor's strengths lie in its extensive widget library, theme builder capabilities, and seamless compatibility with WordPress plugins. It supports responsive design, making it ideal for blogs, business sites, and e-commerce stores using WooCommerce. However, Elementor depends on WordPress, so users need a hosting environment and some familiarity with the platform. Performance can vary based on hosting quality and the number of active plugins. The ideal user is someone who wants full control over a WordPress website's design and prefers a no-code approach while leveraging WordPress's ecosystem. Framer is a modern website builder that combines high-fidelity design and prototyping with actual website deployment. It allows designers to create interactive animated websites using a visual interface supported by React components under the hood. Framer excels in creating dynamic user experiences with smooth transitions and real-time interactions, making it popular among creative professionals and startups. It works as a standalone platform without requiring WordPress or other CMSs, providing hosting and publishing services directly. Its strengths include advanced animation tools, component reuse, and a clean design workflow. Limitations include a steeper learning curve for beginners and less out-of-the-box CMS or e-commerce features compared to WordPress. Framer is best suited for users focused on cutting-edge interactive websites or prototypes who want to combine design and development in one tool. Elementor and Framer serve different needs despite both being website builders. Elementor is ideal for WordPress users who want quick, no-code page building with extensive plugin support, perfect for blogs, business sites, and online stores. It relies on WordPress hosting and can sometimes affect site speed. Framer, on the other hand, targets designers and developers seeking rich interactivity and animation with built-in hosting and deployment. It offers more creative freedom but requires some technical skill and lacks native CMS or e-commerce integrations like Elementor. Choosing between them depends on your project goals. Elementor for robust WordPress sites with ease, Framer for visually complex interactive experiences without WordPress constraints. Choose Elementor if you want a powerful, user-friendly WordPress builder with extensive features and plugin compatibility for business or e-commerce websites. Opt for Framer if your priority is creating highly interactive animated websites or prototypes with a modern design workflow. It's perfect for creative professionals who want to blend design and development seamlessly and don't require traditional CMS features. Both tools excel in their domains.